How to clear background running apps automatically. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can clear out your background apps automatically. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first step that you'll need to clear out your background apps automatically is use your phone's built-in battery optimization. You can do that. First, go to your settings. After that, go to battery. On your battery, go to adaptive battery. It's at adaptive battery or battery optimization. Depending on the setting, just head over there. And make sure that you've enabled the adaptive battery option. This will detect apps that are draining battery and you can restrict those apps. And it will also limit the battery for apps that you don't use quite often. So after doing that, you will need to go to background uses limits or anything similar. Head over to background uses. And from here, you can find the apps that use most of your background, most of your battery at the background. So find the app there that uses the most. You can see identify the ones that you don't want using on the background. Tap on it, and from here you can just disable allow background uses. After doing that, you should be good to go. Now you can also limit your background processes. That's for developer option only. You can go to your developer options and go to background process limit and set it to no background processes. And that's basically it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.